Vicky's driving. Looks like I'm going into a storm. We got about 4 hours until we get to Spokane, Washington. But I'm going to be driving right into this storm up here. Fun. How's it going, Benji? Drive time. So, Vicky, what did you think of the truck stop shower?
It's okay. That's my first time I experience. First time experience to shower. Stop and shower. Stopping and showering.
We're on,
showering.
This is 90 going to Spokane is our final destination for today. We should be there by 5 o'clock to get a good dinner. But I'm enjoying looking in Montana here. I'm waiting for Vicky to say something like, there was no blow dryers, there was no this, no that, like she needed a 5-star hotel. I'm like, it's $15 a person for to stay in. We're not gonna stop, probably, we're just gonna boondock tonight. So we're not gonna stay in a campground so you can take a shower. And at Yellowstone, she said, the water's too cold. So I'm kind of laughing through the whole thing. She's learning as she goes, and she's doing great. She did like these humongous big hikes, and I was very proud of her. So, you know, it's called van life. It's messy. That's our dirty clothes. We've got 2 dogs on top of it. Vicky usually sits in the front right here. Benji or I are driving. And that's how it goes. This can actually be a bed here, and Vicky is actually sleeping in the front. We make this in the bed. We have like a cushion. See, it's rolled up right up there. She rolls that up and then puts it on there, and she's been sleeping in the front. So it's the dogs and I are sleeping in the back on the nice foam. So anyhow, van life. Okay, so that was our trip to Yellowstone. Now this next one is 8 hours to Spokane. That was our goal for today. We'll see how far we get. But right now, we went through, that other Bozeman, and now we're trying to get to Boot. So hopefully we got that, and then we're gonna go to Mount Rainier. So, and see all my, as a good bus driver, I have my little cheat sheet, guys. This is our whole route for vacation, and I'm going to show you this. Okay, this is it, guys. I'm the first one out of the shower, and then sure enough, when I was kind of prepping Vicky, make sure you bring this, you're going to be in there by yourself. Sure enough, I'm in the shower and she's like, where's the conditioner? And I'm like, oh. So anyhow, I finished first, but we'll see how long they take. What do you think, Manila? What do you think, baby? Yeah? What do you think? Hey guys, this is Mom's very first truck stop shower, but this one's mine. Benji's in the other one, but this is pilot. Bozeman.
So I can read Yellowstone National Park, the lifeblood of the country.
Manila's enjoying green grass. You know what's so funny is that they have a bar, a garbage can, and everything like in the middle of everything. Okay, I'll take your picture here. So today it's time to put away the shirt and time to take a shower. We had to find a truck stop, but in the meantime, Manila is in here trying to eat his food, and Barakai is roaming in grass that he hasn't seen out a while. And there's the bathroom. really beautiful here. Gee, what did you like best about Yellowstone?
Nothing.
He's very positive.
Toilet. Are you been there in I can see your t-shirt. Are you been there or you're going there? I've been there. Oh, I like that place.
Sa ka nag-binder?
Are you been there? Sabi niya.
Tama, sa ka nag-binder?
Kasi nakita nga doon niya yung t-shirt ko sa
Sa ka
Yellowstone.
nag-binder?
This is
Sa Yellowstone.
Benji harassing his mother. Okay, Vicky, what did you like best about Yellowstone?
Nothing. Nothing.
It's good.
It's good.
I very, very like.
Very, very nice.
Here we are, driving to Bozeman, Montana.
All the way to the highway when we came to Idaho.
There we go. Welcome to Washington.
That's it.
That's it.